In part 1, we laid the groundwork for understanding Ethereum by exploring the essential concepts of Ether and gas in the Ethereum network. Now, in part 2, we'll delve deeper into the inner workings of Ethereum, focusing on the intricate details of the Ethereum software platform and the network itself. We'll break down Ethereum into 3 distinct layers, each playing a vital role in the network's functionality. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a more comprehensive understanding of how Ethereum operates and the significance of its various components. So, let's jump right in and explore the fascinating world of Ethereum's layer and their interactions. But before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. To grasp a deeper understanding of Ethereum, it's important to delve into the intricate workings of both the Ethereum software platform and the network itself. Let's break down into 3 fundamental layers to simplify the concept. Picture the foundational layer of Ethereum as a sprawling network of computers known as nodes, each linked to the internet and equipped with software designed to operate the Ethereum's blockchain. Within this base layer, critical functions like processing, validation, broadcasting, and storage of transaction data occur. Furthermore, these nodes employ the proof-of-stake protocol to facilitate the processing of transaction data, and their efforts are compensated with Ether as determined by previously discussed gas prices. These rewards serve as powerful incentive for nodes to uphold the integrity and functionality of the Ethereum network by continuing to process transaction data. It's important to note that transaction data can encompass both tangible value in the form of Ether and intangible information in the form of code. These codes can transmit data and trigger various actions within the subsequent layer of the Ethereum network. Now, let's consider an additional layer, a software layer, sitting atop this hardware foundation. This software layer provides a supportive environment offering programming language library that includes languages such as Solidity, Viper, Bamboo, and others. These languages play a crucial role in crafting and executing smart contracts and decentralized applications or dApps within the Ethereum network. Developers have the remarkable capability to craft what are known as smart contracts. This term, smart contract, was originally coined in 1998 by an American computer scientist named Nick Szabo, who was also the man behind the creation of BitGold a full decade before the emergence of Bitcoin. These smart contracts essentially consist simultaneously governing its execution. What sets smart contracts apart is their interaction with Ethereum's unique hardware layer and blockchain-based software. This synergy creates a secure and trustworthy digital environment ideally suited for constructing and executing these smart contracts. Smart contracts possesses a distinctive feature. They are proficient at authorizing transactions and autonomously carrying out the stipulated terms of contracts within a trust-based ecosystem. This effectively eliminates the necessity for an overseeing central authority such as a government, bank, or legal system. Consequently, smart contracts not only facilitate transactions but also make them traceable and transparent, ushering in a new era of self-executing agreements and trustless interactions within the Ethereum network. The fusion of Ethereum's hardware and software layers forms a remarkable and enduring foundation. Together, they give rise to what can be aptly described as a global, decentralized supercomputer recognized as the Ethereum Virtual Machine or EVM. In the realm of computing, virtual machines or VMs act as a simulation of computer networks adaptable for a wide array of applications. In the next context of the Ethereum virtual machine, its fundamental role evolves around enhancing the adaptability of software and maintaining a clear distinction between individual software hosts and various software applications. The EVM acts as a kind of digital sandbox, ensuring that each software entity operates independently and securely. With the Ethereum virtual machine facilitating this segregation and interoperability, we finally arrive at the last layer of the Ethereum ecosystem, the software applications. These applications play a pivotal role in bringing Ethereum to life, offering a diverse array of functionalities and use cases within this groundbreaking decentralized network. The application layer within the Ethereum ecosystem is where developers find their creative canvas to construct and launch third-party decentralized applications, more commonly known as dApps. These applications earn the decentralized label because they function within the Ethereum's blockchain-based platform, leveraging its inherent decentralization. Within this layer, we find a plethora of popular dApps, including notable examples such as Uniswap, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, and OpenSea, a marketplace for non-fungible tokens or NFTs. At the time of this discussion, Ethereum boasts an impressive portfolio of over 2,800 dApps actively running on its network. These dApps span a broad spectrum of categories encompassing gaming, cryptocurrency exchanges, lending platforms, yield farming, identity verification, property management, and many more. This rich variety of dApps illustrate the versatility and wide-reaching potential of Ethereum's application layer, making it a dynamic hub for innovation and creativity within the blockchain space. Furthermore, Ethereum's thriving dApp ecosystem had been driving force behind its widespread adoption and its unique role in reshaping the landscape of decentralized technology. ERC20 tokens are a crucial aspect of the Ethereum ecosystem. Before delving into ERC20, it's essential to understand what ERC stands for. ERC is an acronym for Ethereum Request for Comments. This concept is similar to BIP or Bitcoin Improvement Proposal utilized in the Bitcoin network. Since both Ethereum and Bitcoin are built on blockchain technology, there is no single individual or entity that holds the authority to dictate the addition of new features, changes, or fixes to their respective protocols. Hence, ERC was established as a structured process for community members to contribute ideas, information, and proposals for improving the Ethereum network. These proposals, known as ERCs or Ethereum Requests for Comments, serve as a mechanism for developers to introduce enhancements to the network. The number 20 in ERC20 signifies the unique identification number associated with that particular proposal. Now, diving into ERC20, it's a specific token standard within the Ethereum ecosystem. This standard comprises a set of rules and guidelines that any tokens issued on the Ethereum blockchain must adhere to. It ensures a consistent interoperable framework for creating and managing tokens, making them compatible with various applications, wallets, and exchanges within the Ethereum network. ERC20 tokens have played a pivotal role in the proliferation of blockchain-based assets and have become a foundation for numerous decentralized applications and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, what are tokens? Ethereum tokens represent a diverse category of cryptocurrencies, each with its own distinct functions and purposes. These tokens are designed to either represent an asset or serve specific use cases and operate within the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem. Ethereum, as a versatile platform, facilitates the creation, deployment, and circulation of these virtual currencies or tokens. The ERC20 standard mentioned earlier serve as a set of rules and regulations that developers must adhere to when creating tokens intended for issuance on the Ethereum network. These rules govern various aspects such as token transfer mechanisms, transaction approval procedures, user access to tokens, and the total supply or quantity of tokens available. In essence, ERC20 ensures the compatibility and interoperability of new tokens within the Ethereum network. At present, the Ethereum blockchain hosts a vast array of tokens referred to as ERC20 tokens with over 350,000 different tokens issued. Some of the more well-known ERC20 tokens include Tether or USDT, Chainlink, LINK, Matic, now known as Polygon, and Uniswap, UNI. Each of these tokens serve a specific function or utility. For instance, Tether is a stablecoin maintaining a value equal to US dollar, which is why it's termed a stablecoin. In contrast, Basic Attention Token (BAT) was designed for use in the Brave browser ecosystem as a form of payment for users, advertisers, and publishers in exchange for user attention to advertisements and content. Ethereum is still a relatively new and evolving technology, and it's vital for crypto investors to recognize that it remains in a development phase. The Ethereum community constantly works on roadmap changes and enhancements to make transactions more cost-effective, enhance network security, provide a better user experience, and prepare the platform for future developments. If you're considering investing in Ethereum, you can use reputable crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and others, which we recommend. However, it's crucial to transfer your holdings from these exchanges to your own hardware wallet to secure your assets. Hardware wallets like Tangem wallets are excellent choice due to their robust security measures such as EAL6+ standards, and they offer a level of protection on par with NASA, a passport security. These wallets also provide backup copies for added security, and their open source code on GitHub ensures transparency and trust in the safety of your crypto assets. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.